This video shows how to install a Python module using pip for a specific Python version. In this system, I have Python 2.7 and Python 3.6. So I want to install a package using pip in this Python 2.7 and Python 3.6. Okay, so we can install it using pip package manager. So first we have to install pip. So there is two versions of pip. One is simple pip, that is for Python 2.7. Then there is pip 3, that is for Python 3. So let me install both pip and pip 3. So in Ubuntu or Debian, we can install pip using this command apt install python-pip. Okay, done. Then let me install pip 3. We can install pip 3 using this command apt install python3-pip. Done. Now let me check the version of pip 3 and pip. Version of pip 3 is 9.0.1. Version of pip also same 9.0.1. Okay. Next, I am going to install one package named request. Sudo python 3 -m pip install request. So this command will install this module request for Python 3.6 or greater than 3. So let me run it. You can see it's collecting request. It's downloading request 2.18 for Python 3. Installation has completed. If you want to see where it installed, you can use this command pip show request. So this is the location where it installed under usr local lib python 3.6 dist packages. These are the dependency packages. Okay, now let me go to Python 3 and confirm that it installed. Then import request. Then check the version. See, it's by request 2.18. Let me quit from Python 3.6. Now let me go to Python 2.7 and try to import a request. See, it says import error, no module named request. So we have to install the same request module for Python 2.7. We can install it using this same command. Just change it here Python 3 to simply Python. Then run this command. You can see it's collecting request 2.18. Okay, installation completed. So if you want to see where it's installed, you can use this show command pip show. See, this is the location usr local lib python 2.7 dist-packages. Now let me go to Python 2.7 and check the import again. See, it's worked. Let me check the version. Okay, it's 2.18. So this way we can install one particular Python package for a particular Python version. Please subscribe my channel if you like this video.